What's up, all you boys and girls, guys and gals, guys and gals, guys and gals, and whatever you want to call yourself, aliens? Today's a bonus clip. Today's bonus clip is another unboxing. You know why? Because it's around that time of month that it's time for unboxing. Yes, that special time of month. Not that one, ladies. Don't worry, I'm not making fun of you. But I got another Loot Crate. Let's see what's in this one. Let me grab my special unboxing knife. And here we go. That might be a little bit safer. Let's see what it is. I feel a t-shirt, which I do every time I open this up. And what is it? It looks like the box is another robot to go with LC Bot down there. But inside the box, we got color changing mug. That's cool, a Batman color changing mug. We got Jessica Jones. I don't know if you can see her that well, but we got Jessica Jones up in there. Because this month was Investigators. We got a Stranger Things investigation. I like that. What? We got pencils. Number 2 pencils from X-Files. Nice. No. No. Yes. 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 And we got a Stranger Things 11 t-shirt. I am definitely putting this on. I am definitely putting this on. And it looks like pixel sharpener for those pencils. That is awesome. And the pin this month. The pin this month is a tape recorder. Because you can't be an investigator without your tape recorder. And this is just stuff that an investigator would have. Whether it be paranormal or just regular investigators. But anyway, first off, we gotta put the pin up. You know, that's something that we do every month. Let's put the pin up. And this pin's gonna go right here. There we go. But also, guys, oh my God, this is freaking awesome! I mean, not only that, but you got the boys and the other characters in the month. I love it! I love it! Ah, I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it! But that is your bonus clip for today. Oh, wait. We forgot to open the mug. And, well, I might have been wrong. It's not really a Batman mug. It's a Gotham City mug. I like this. This is awesome. I'll see you guys later.